Want to create a cool opening like this? But before we jump into the tutorial, I suddenly got hungry. While looking for something to eat, I found this.
Mie gaga variasi baru. Ada 4 rasa yang super menggiurkan. Mie goreng kari tabonai. Mie goreng keju dangke. Mie goreng Minang balado. Mie goreng original. Cek keranjang kuning untuk detail dan order ya.
Alright, now that I'm full, let's get started. First, import your photos or videos and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the correct aspect ratio and remove the original audio if your clips contain sound. In this example, I'm using 8 clips. Select the first clip and duplicate it. Then go to the Remove BG menu and choose Custom Removal Smart Brush. Highlight the area you want to keep, then click Apply. Next, select the following clip and place it between the previous 2 clips. Trim the duration to 5 frames. Repeat the same steps with the remaining clips, then duplicate all of them. After that, go to the Effects menu and select Chrome Blur. Place the effect above the short clips you created earlier. Trim the effect to match the length of each clip. Press play to preview the result. And that's it. You successfully created a smooth and dynamic opening. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to improve your content. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.